Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com and I'm currently on board the brand new, incredibly beautiful Norwegian Encore. So right now I'm in a Haven 2-bedroom family villa suite. This is a phenomenal option if you're traveling with a family. Let me show you what we're talking about, and right when we get in, just wanted to point out a few features. So you've got your temperature control here. There's a couple places where you can do that separately in this room, but you got your initial temperature control here, and then you just click the button here whether you want to make up the room or do not disturb. So it's nice, you don't have to go out, put a magnet on, flip something over. So nice and convenient there. Okay, so when you come in, you've got a nice little entryway here, and you're coming into the living room. But what I thought is I'd start with the second bedroom essentially first. So come on in this way. This is what really sets this room apart. Couple things that I wanted to point out right when we come in. So first, you've got a bed that drops down from the ceiling here, and you've got a couch here as well. So I've had some people talk to me about, is this an ideal room for a couple, beyond a family, or what kind of different situations? So what I would say is if this is meant to be the full second bedroom for a couple, that might be tough with the two couples splitting it. For a family, of course, it's absolutely perfect. Or you could have one person use the bed that gets made up here on the couch, and then the other one out in the living room. If people are willing to split up, that could be a good option as well too. So maybe a couple with two friends that are traveling along. But once again, this is an absolutely phenomenal option for families. And having families, you definitely want storage. So you've got a bunch of extra pillows in here now, but you got hanging storage here. You got the drop down for more hanging storage there. And then you also have the ladder here as well that would be used for the bunk that comes out of the ceiling. There's a little more storage just around the corner here when we come in. Okay, so not a ton, but you can see, shut that, but it definitely helps. So you've got some more open storage here as well. One great thing about having kids in this room, if you have one or two kids, that's fantastic, is you've got the extra TV, so you can set it up, or even bring video games and set up that way if you like. There's a little bit of storage here, but for the kiddos, that's the primary storage. So underneath here, you got two small ottomans that you can sit here and get ready. You've got some plugs over here as well, so you've got a US plug and a Euro plug. Sometimes I'll bring a second Euro adapter, or even a couple of them, so that I can maximize all the plugs in here as well. And then down here as well, you're gonna have a hair dryer, which is standard in all the rooms on board. So if you follow me on in, this is kind of like the inside cabin, a little bit of storage here. Once again, separate temperature control. I really like that. Sometimes the second set wants a different temperature than the first. So now we're getting into the bathroom. So this is the standard bathroom that you're gonna find throughout the entire ship. So it's exactly the same. I do like how they have these nice acrylic showers that pop out. So even somebody my size, I'm 6'6". Here we go. I fit actually pretty good in here. Some of the other cruise lines, they have shower curtains that come in on you. I really don't like this. So this is great. They've opened it up and there's plenty of space in here. Not a ton of storage in the bathroom, but you got some small shelves here. You've got some bigger shelves here as well for some storage, but there's not really any storage where you can put things away completely. Okay, so over here you've got, you'll notice that throughout you have the L'Occitane upgraded amenities, so that's in the shower and also here as well. So let's head on out of here, but essentially what this is a small inside cabin. Perfect for two kids, absolutely perfect for two kids. And then you could, of course, put the third kid out into the main room as well here. So let's head into the living room, which is really beautiful space, really open space. This is what kind of makes the room feel more like a home. So right when you come in here, you've got a little dry bar area with your Nespresso maker. They'll be replenished as much as you'd like. You've got your tea. They no longer have bottled water on this ship at all, and this is going to go fleet wide with Norwegian very soon. So they've got this boxed water, the just water there. You've got wine glasses and things up here as well, along with your Nespresso cups, because of course you can have coffee in here. You can have your butler make it. You can have coffee on the balcony. You can also have all of your meals served course by course. So that's what this table really is for. There's extra chairs in here that you can put it together and make it a family table essentially. A little small for that, but you can definitely have all of your courses served in here. Okay, so this is the next sleeping area. So this is a bed that does come out as well, that can be turned into a bed. So you can see if you had, maybe there was 3 kiddos, you could put 2 in there, 1 in here, or maybe 2 friends traveling together with a couple could work as well. Just over here, you're gonna have a desk that you can use if you need to get a little work done. You've got storage on the side here. You got your portable ship phone as well right there. And then up top here, they've got some magazines and things, Mandara Spa. A little bit of storage up here as well. Not super deep, but couple inches of storage there. Okay, all right, so now that we're in the living room area, I'd like to point out that this is the balcony. So I'm gonna step out there. This is the only balcony in the room. Okay, so now I'm heading out to the balcony, which was one of the absolute best features of this room here. And it's kind of a little bit of a wraparound. So as we head over here, these are the big windows for the shower and the bath. So something you just want to keep in mind if other people are out here, if you're sharing the room, just something to think about. But it gives you this extra balcony space here. And then of course, you've got a ton of balcony space here as well. They can bring the table out. I've had them do that before and set it up for a nice meal. Once again, with your butler service, you can have it served course by course from any of the restaurants on board the ship. So let's head on in here. Beautiful furniture. So let's head on in to the master bedroom. This is a fantastic master bedroom for any suite on board any ship for a couple reasons. So one, you'll see the massive size of it. It is a full king-size bed. On the ceiling, they have these really cool light configurations that basically make it look like the nighttime stars that are in here. On the side over here, you've got a US plug, you've got a couple USBs, which is really nice. I like that. You've got some storage down below. Okay, a little bit of storage on the side there. And then you have huge oversized pillows, and this entire wall is storage here. So right here, you've got some hang-up storage. Go, it's again, the soft close. You also have all of these drawers that come out here as well. The TV, so that's the third TV if you're keeping count. One in there, one in the kids' room, and then one in here as well. So it's perfect for every member of the family. You've got more storage over here. So this is where you're going to find your soft Haven robes that come with all Haven rooms. You've got your safe here, not big enough for a laptop, just something to keep in mind, but it is good for your passports, wallet, things along those lines. You've got storage up top and all the way down, and also your Haven slippers and your oversized golf umbrella that comes with all the Haven rooms as well. Here we go. Okay, so over here you've got a great vanity. There's some more storage by the bed as well. This side has two USBs. It doesn't have a full plug, but you've got the USBs there, and then you could access these plugs as well. So you got a US plug and a Euro plug. Nice little seat here to get ready. You got a magnifying makeup mirror, and then this, of course, is backlit as well. And then a little bit of storage up and down on the side here, and then some storage on the side here as well. So now head into one of the crowning jewels of this incredible room, and that is the master bathroom. So when I walk in here, I see unbelievable views. Right now we're in Miami. I can see all the way across the bay there. It's really, really stunning. You've got this bathtub that's gonna have the most incredible views and shower. But right when you walk in here, you have a double vanity. I love that in a cruise room. I love being able to have two separate spaces for my wife and I personally. So underneath on both sides and in the middle here, you've got storage. You also have some storage to set there, and then storage up here as well. I do like that they have the shower poof that you get in the room. Of course, you have the upgraded L'Occitane amenities that are gonna be in all of the Haven staterooms as well. Over here, you got a little coat rack, a separate temperature control in here too. Once again, I really appreciate that. So you got the toilet room just in here. Little piece of art in there. Nice while you're going to the restroom, I guess. And then in here you have the huge shower. So this shower has an incredible view looking out. It's got a massive rainforest shower head. Once again, I'm 6'6", and it's plenty of clearance here. You also have the car wash shower where you can kind of get all the different jets and adjust them. But once again, you turn around each time and the view is what really takes your breath away. And then once again, the bathtub with the same incredible view. So you can put this down for privacy if you'd like. Just to kind of show you that. But keep in mind, if you're sharing the room, that this part of the balcony may want to be off limits to those who are not privy to well, any of that fun stuff. So now you've seen the 2-bedroom family villa suite that is inside the Haven. So there's a couple great advantages with this. One is you're located within the Haven complex itself. So when you have kids, it's great. They don't have to go out at all. They can go out here and you can use the pool, you can use the lounge, all of the things that come with it. And then of course, when you travel with a family, having a butler makes absolutely all the difference in the world. I don't have that at home, so having it on vacation is such a unique and special thing that we absolutely love it. So when you're ready to book this suite, reach out to harrtravel.com. We are your Norwegian Encore, and we are your Haven suite experts. So we have a phenomenal relationship with Norwegian Cruise Lines. That's why we're in here today filming this for you so that we can show you what it's all about. So when you're ready to have the ultimate family vacation, or maybe the ultimate friends vacation, reach out to Harr Travel, and we will make sure that you have the vacation of a lifetime.